In today's video, we are going to learn how to get Apple Music free trial for 3 months. And if you watch this video until the end, you will also come to know about how to get Apple Music free trial for 6 months. And the good thing is, this works for everyone. Whether you are a new user who have never used Apple Music before, or you have already been an Apple Music subscriber previously, you can still get 3 months of free Apple Music trial. Let me show you how. If I go to settings and then tap on my Apple ID, here I need to tap on subscriptions. In subscriptions, you can see that I don't have active Apple Music subscription. However, I had Apple Music subscription active earlier and now it has expired on 22nd of April, but I can still get Apple Music free trial, and let me show you how. I'll simply go to App Store and search for Shazam app. In case you don't know, Shazam has been acquired by Apple and Shazam integrates with Apple Music. I have already installed it. In case you haven't installed it on your iPhone, then you can simply install it. And once installed, tap open. And this is an app that allows you to find music playing around you by just tapping this Shazam button, and it will listen the humming sound around you, and based on that it will recognize which music is playing, and you can find new music here. But here we are going to use this app to get free Apple Music. Here you can see that it says limited time only, you can get up to 4 months of free Apple Music. If you have a new Apple ID and you have not previously used it for Apple Music subscription, then you can get up to 4 months. But since I have already used for Apple Music subscription and I had an active subscription earlier which expired recently, I can still get free trial for few months. I hope it will provide me about 3 months of free trial. Let's try it. It still says 4 months of free trial, but I'm sure this will not provide me 4 months of free trial. Let's try it. It will take me to Apple Music app, and here wait for some time. One moment. Okay, so we are on the subscription screen and we can double click to redeem the offer, but the problem is it is only providing me free trial of 1 month and it will start charging me starting next month. So I'll cancel that and cancel again, and then I'll go to browse section in the Apple Music. Here I'll tap on this and now I can see that get 3 months for price of 1, offer ends soon. So I'll tap on this start 3 months for 99 rupees and let's see whether it will provide 3 months or not. So now you can see that the 3-month offer is available for me and the plan will start starting 6th of September, that is 3 months away from today. I'll simply double click to subscribe and it's done. So now my 3 months of free Apple Music trial is active. So that is how you can get 3 months of free Apple Music trial. And in case you want to get 6 months of free Apple Music trial, then I have got some methods for that as well. Simply check out the video description below where I link out to one of my articles on my blog. You can simply visit that and read the article to know more information about how to get free Apple Music trial.